for the summer harvest, and to celebrate, my friends from the Ingles table and I are cooking up some amazing summertime favorites. We're so glad you're here. Enjoy.
In this episode, Abby J makes her cheesy sausage stuffed tomatoes with shishito peppers.
Abby, I am so happy we're on the farm, back filming again. What in the heck are you cooking today?
I'm cooking one of my favorites, Derek. This is my stuffed tomatoes with shishito pepper. So why don't we get started?
Awesome.
Okay,
let's
the
do
first
it.
thing you're gonna do, I've already taken the tops off these tomatoes, and then I will demonstrate. We're gonna do this. What we do is we just take the top off, and we want to take the inside out just like this. You want to get all that out of there. And so what I do, I put more salt right here, and then
Flavor.
I've had these already draining to get more of the liquid out.
Right.
And what we're gonna do is put them in a little baking dish, and then we're going to add a half a pound of the sweet and spicy sausage. We're gonna have some shallots. First is we've got to cook the shallots, get these going.
Okay.
And then what we'll do is we'll bring up the temperature again with this, stir that.
Thank you.
So while we're doing that, we want to add the meat to get this back
Perfect.
up to temperature. Even though it's already pre-done, it's always good to go ahead and bring that back up to temperature for food safety.
That's right.
I think that's about right.
All right.
So why don't we take it off?
There we go.
And this could also be a great little appetizer for tailgating. So now we're gonna take 3/4 of a cup of panko crumbs, and we wanna stir this up. And I take Fontina cheese. This is about three-quarters of a cup. I wanna incorporate that.
Oh man.
We want about 2 tablespoons of this juice to go in this, so it'll incorporate even better.
All right.
And then I'm gonna take about 1/4 of a cup of 6 Italian cheese. If you'll hand me the
Perfect.
tomatoes,
We'll get all this
what
out
we're
of your
gonna
way.
do, we want to put a little salt, a little pepper. Gotta have your salt and pepper there.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Smells so good already.
And then we are going to stuff.
Sausage and cheese. Oh my goodness.
Like that. What we want to do, why don't you top it off with some cheese on each one of
Perfect.
those? We're going back over here.
All right.
We're going to blister these shishito peppers. Takes a little bit of time to do it, about 12 minutes. So we top that with a little half of lemon juice and salt, and that just garnishes the plate perfectly.
That's perfect. Look at that.
Perfect. And now you bake it in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. This is going to be
That's
delicious.
perfect.
And look how delicious that
Oh
is.
my goodness. Oh
So
gosh.
you take the tops and you'll bake those and broil those, and it turns out to be this.
Abby, those look freaking incredible. Let's go share them with the rest of the crew.
Hey, let's go.
Let's do it.
All right. I hope you've enjoyed your time with us today. We sure appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing that improves a wonderful meal more than a special feeling of sharing it with friends and family. Make sure and explore the rest of the site here at inglestable.com. Thanks again, y'all.